We have a drip pan. We're going to use this drain bag. We are going to use the drip pan to switch over to the Valvomax quick twist drain valve. We have a non-slip oil absorbent mat. We also have multiple styles of the disposable Valvomax funnels. They make the big ones, they make these little ones. If you don't know about Valvomax, they're a United States company. I think they're from Texas. Right here's the link to their website. They create products that are basically focused on oil changes and fluid management. And what they did was they actually sent us a whole bunch of products to actually put on our own cars, because I've been using their stuff for years and I absolutely love it. So we have everything laid out. Let's get started. So basically I needed two hands. I couldn't really record it. So I put my finger over and plugged up the oil and turned it and tightened it down. So nice and snug, not super tight. We're gonna start the car, let it run for a little bit and check for leaks. No leaks. All right, so we have our bag here, and allegedly we just untighten this and screw this on. Okay. Click that. Click that down and turn it. Yeah, you can do it one-handed. All right, guys. So we're draining. We're draining good. You see all the oil in the bottom of the bag. So we're just trying to keep this straight. There is no mess. It's kind of neat. Everything looks good. It's all torqued down, no leaks. And honestly, it was really easy. So the only thing that I noticed is that when I took this piece off right here, it drizzled just a little bit of oil on the bottom. And it kind of came from this part right here. That's okay. So honestly, that's not that bad. So what I'm gonna do is just wipe it up. Probably get some soap and water here in a little bit. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna wipe down the bag. But then we are ready to go to the auto parts store and drop this off. All right, so that's gonna wrap it up here for Good Morning Mechanic. We just finished up installing the quick twist oil drain system from Valvomax. Again, I want to give a special thank you to Valvomax for sponsoring this video and this channel. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for watching. As always, have a good morning.